If you're an esthetician who really into clean beauty, who gravitating toward holistic approach and clinical results naturally, you need to come to our holistic clinical training event we're holding in Fort Lauderdale area in South Florida in October 26th and 27th. I'm Elina Fedotova, President of Association of Holistic Skincare Practitioners. Since 2007, we're providing estheticians with training events to show them the ways to deliver real results without any chemicals or questionable equipment. And we have on the board the best advisors. It's a board of wonderful scientists and holistic gurus who help you to navigate through corrective but natural and safe products and equipment. During these 2 days of very, very intense hands-on training, you would be able to learn latest holistic natural protocols, which are very effective for aging complexion, for problem complexion, for inflamed skin. You can bring your model, you can bring your client who you have difficulties to find solution for, and watch how the skin would be transformed under your hands, because you will use new approach, new products, new equipment. Real holistic practitioner doesn't believe in competition. Because of the spiritual core, we all know that it's enough of faces, enough of work for everyone. And instead of competing, we should be supporting each other, networking with each other, loving each other and our clients, and learning from each other how to deliver the best results.